go from installed in place to fuel leaking everywhere. What's going on, everybody? Erwin here, Three Wheels on the Block, back again. Got the Misfit back here. Just a little throwback. I'm gonna actually do a little bit of a history on this vehicle, kind of walk you guys through the process up to where it is now. I'm gonna throw you guys back to when I was installing the fuel pressure regulator on here. And this is kind of why you always want to check your parts, maybe in ways you wouldn't think to normally check your parts. It's a brand new fuel pressure regulator, and yeah, this is what happened. That fuel filter is trash. That quick. Oh, can't find another filter, so I guess we're gonna put the trash filter on here until I find another one and swap this thing out. Which will probably be later today. I'm sure I'll find what I'm looking for and I'll show you how it goes. Fuel leaking everywhere. Awesome. Where's that coming from? Is it at the bottom? That's what it sounds like. Oh, great. Let's try this again. Alright, so I've been fighting this leak, and the leak is coming from the back, right back there of this unit, brand new, that's all I can say. So I'm gonna try to tighten this thing up, see if I can get rid of this leak. All right, we're back, and wow, look at that, 4 psi and gas not spraying everywhere. Have to tighten up the screws on the top of that unit right there that got rid of the issue. So we're gonna do a little test fire, make sure everything's still operating like it should, and we'll see.